In a courtroom, time is short and accuracy matters. The judge says, "Turn to page 42, and everyone in the room needs to be on page 42. Counsel, the other party, the judge, and their clerk. If one person is on the wrong page, the hearing slows down. That is why every page in a bundle must be numbered. Courts and tribunals tend to use one of two page numbering styles. The continuous style runs the numbers unbroken across the whole bundle. 1, 2, 3, all the way to the last page. Some courts keep it as plain numbers. Others add the section letter as a prefix, so you get A1, A2, A3, then B4, B5, and so on. Either way, the number keeps counting. The section restart style, sometimes called Bates numbering, gives each section its own count. Section A runs A1, A2, A3. Section B then starts again at B1, B2, and so on. Your court or tribunal's directions will tell you which style applies to your case. When in doubt, continuous numbering is the safer default. It is harder for anyone to get lost. Electronic bundles have another rule. All pages must be numbered by computer, not by hand. Penciled numbers, crossed out numbers, and numbers added with sticky labels are not acceptable in an e-bundle. Any reasonable court or tribunal would expect you to fix it before the hearing. This is where a manually built bundle often fails. You move a witness statement from one section to another. Now every page after it has the wrong number. The index is wrong. The rule about matching numbers is no longer met. And you are editing a PDF at 10 at night before a 10 o'clock hearing. BundleCreator numbers every page automatically. You choose the style, continuous or section restart, and the numbers flow across every document, including the PDFs and Word files you have uploaded. Move a document, add a new section, delete a page. The numbers reflow in real time. The index updates. The rule about matching numbers is still met. You do not repaginate, re-export, or recheck. A well-numbered bundle is a bundle the court or tribunal can use. Pick the style your case requires, and let BundleCreator do the rest.